So today Dougal is going on his own adventure to the paint shop. This is the last time he will be army green with camouflage looks to him. I'm not going to say what colour we're going to paint him.
No, it's a secret. You can't know. If I tell you, I'll have to kill you.
Exactly. I've already hinted slightly, so.
But I know what it is.
He knows what it is. The paint man knows what it is. Basically everyone in my real life knows what colour it is. But you're not finding out because, I don't know, it's more fun. Okay, see you in a bit.
Right, so all that just strip back.
Yeah, I say we'll do that.
Hello! Dad said you needed help with the colour.
Yes.
And here he is, completely naked. He's literally naked.
So it'll be just the same as when you've done. Right. Yeah, they said they could do that.
We'll go for that one. Perfect. Hi, good morning. Hi. Today, right, literally like this second, we're about to go and see Dougal for the first time in his new colour, and like, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm really excited. I'm trying not to get run over. So the man gave us a call and was like, yeah, come and fetch him. And he's literally like, just round this corner. I'm so scared. Is he ready, Andrew? I'm so nervous. Okay, count me down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god. It's literally like, he's not like completely finished, like there's no bumper on him, and the eyebrows or the fenders or whatever you want to call them aren't on yet. My vision is like in front of me right now.
You like it?
Yeah. Look at him. What do you think?
I like it.
This is the man that painted him. What do you think of it?
I
you
like
like
it.
it?
It's turned out a lot better than I thought it would do. I
Yeah.
thought might show everything up, but it doesn't seem to do.
It
So
doesn't,
that's
does
good.
It looks so good.
Dougal's so sexy.
Oh,
Oh, manly but chest
God. Should we show him, Andrew?
What?
Shall I give him a spin and show him?
No, keep him in suspense.
Oh my god.
You're so excited.
I'm so excited.